Oh, hello there. How are you doing? I'm fixing yet another puncture. It's about my 400th in the last year, easy. Anyway, I just wanted to show you the Cicada. I know I've shown you before, but I'm going to take a walk down the road so you can have a listen. The summer sounds. I'm going to speed the video up so that you don't get bored. Evil cat. Yeah, so we're here now. Take a listen to that. Pretty loud, eh? Like you can hear this from our flat. They start every morning at about 4 o'clock. This will go on to like midnight. It's like pretty hectic if someone phones you. Like, what? What? So here's one now. Look, look, look. There. Show you one now. Ugly little things. Oh. Anyway, I got lots to do today. You have a nice Thursday, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.